In this video, we are comparing Kraken and Coinbase for beginners so you can figure out which crypto app actually makes more sense for the way you want to buy, hold, and learn about crypto. Because choosing a crypto app sounds simple until you realize how many things can change the experience. So today we are going to break down what Kraken is best for, what Coinbase is best for, where each one can fall short, and how to choose based on your experience level, your comfort with crypto, and what you actually plan to do inside the app. My name is Erin, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter money decisions. Let's get into it. Before we talk about Kraken or Coinbase, let's get clear on what actually matters when you are picking a crypto app as a beginner. The best crypto app is not always the one with the cleanest homepage or the most coins. It's the one where you understand what you are buying, what fees you are paying, and how to get your money in and out without feeling lost. So I would look at 5 things. First, how easy it is to buy crypto for the first time. Second, how clearly does the app show fees and pricing before you confirm the trade? Third, does it support the coins you actually care about, or are you getting distracted by a giant list of assets you don't understand yet? Fourth, does it give you room to grow once you want more control over your trades? And fifth, how comfortable do you feel navigating the app when real money is involved? That last one is underrated. A crypto app can have a lot of features, but if a beginner opens it and immediately feels like they are inside an airplane cockpit, that is not helpful. For beginners, it's not about looking like a professional trader on the first day. It's about understanding the basics, avoiding careless mistakes, and starting with an amount of money you can afford to risk. Crypto is volatile. Prices can move quickly, you can lose money, so this is not personal financial advice. This is an educational comparison to help you understand the trade-offs before choosing a platform. If you don't have Kraken yet, you can use our link down below to sign up. You can also use our Rakuten link down below. They are offering $50 cash back. I believe we have an additional discount if you use our link down below for that as well. So Kraken feels more like a true crypto platform than a general finance app with crypto added on. That can be a good thing if you want an app you can grow into. You can start with basic buying and selling, but Kraken also has Kraken Pro if you later want more advanced charts, order types, and trading controls. You might start by buying Bitcoin or Ethereum in a basic way, then later, if you care about fees, order types, or having more control over the trade, Kraken Pro is there. But here is the catch: more depth can also mean more learning. If you are brand new and you only want the most familiar app possible, Kraken may take a little more getting used to than Coinbase. It's not impossible to learn, it just may feel more crypto native. Choose Kraken if you want a crypto-focused platform that can start simple, but also gives you more advanced tools later. For beginners, one of the first questions is basic. How do I actually buy crypto? So Kraken does a good job in showing the buying flow in a way that feels practical. So you can see the basic idea of entering an amount, choosing the crypto, and then choosing a payment method that works best for you. That is the kind of thing beginners need to see, because the scary part is usually not the word Bitcoin. The scary part is wondering if you are clicking the wrong thing, sending money to the wrong place, or missing a detail that actually matters. So Kraken also highlights payment options like bank transfers, debit or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other methods depending on where you are located and what your account supports. This is where you want to slow down and read the preview before buying. With crypto apps, the payment method can affect cost. Kraken's fee page says instant and recurring trades have trading fees, and the price can include a spread. So before confirming anything, check the order preview and make sure you understand the total cost. That is true for any crypto app, not just Kraken. If you are a beginner, I would not rush through the buy screen. I would test the process with a small amount first, read every line before confirming, and make sure you know where the crypto will sit after the purchase. And if Kraken sounds like the better fit for you, I will leave the Kraken link down below too, so you can look at the current setup and see if it works for your country. Next up, we have Coinbase. So for Coinbase, you can also use our link below for Rakuten. You get $12.50 cash back, but Coinbase is probably the more familiar name for a lot of beginners, especially in the US. It has a cleaner, more mainstream feel. The homepage is broad. It is not only talking about crypto trading, it is talking about crypto, stocks, and a broader finance experience. If you are a beginner and you want an app that feels polished, recognizable, and easier to understand at first glance, Coinbase has a strong advantage. You can browse major crypto assets, look at prices, read basic information, and buy through a familiar account setup. That is why Coinbase often becomes the default starting point for people who are crypto curious but not ready to learn a full exchange interface. The catch is that convenience can cost more depending on how you buy. Coinbase says fees vary and and are shown before you submit a transaction. Coinbase Advanced uses a maker-taker fee model, but the simple buying flow can feel different from advanced trading. So if you use Coinbase, make sure you compare the simple buy screen against Coinbase Advanced before assuming one is always cheaper. Coinbase is beginner-friendly, but beginner-friendly does not mean you should ignore the fees. Choose Coinbase if you want the most familiar starting point and a cleaner first experience. If you want to check out Coinbase for yourself, I will leave the link down below so you can compare the current features, fees, and availability. One thing Coinbase does well is browsing. When you are new to crypto, you may not know what you want to buy yet. You may have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Solana, maybe a few meme coins, but you don't know what is available or how different assets compare. Coinbase's Explore page gives beginners a more organized way to look around. You can see major assets, prices, market stats, top movers, and basic market information in a layout that feels easier to scan. Now, there is also a danger here. Browsing crypto can turn into chasing whatever is moving the most today. A coin being up 70% does not automatically mean it's a good investment. Sometimes it means you are late to the move. Sometimes it means the asset is extremely risky. Sometimes it means you have no idea why the price moved and you are just reacting to a green number. So use the Explore page for learning, not for panic buying. If you are comparing Coinbase and Kraken as a beginner, Coinbase may feel better for research and browsing. It gives you much more of that "let me understand what is out there" experience. But once you are ready to trade, still check the order preview, fees, spread, payment method, and whether you actually understand the asset. Both Kraken and Coinbase have a beginner side and a more advanced side. Kraken has Kraken Pro, which shows charts, order books, order types, and a more exchange-style trading layout. And Coinbase has Coinbase Advanced, which Coinbase says includes enhanced charts, advanced order types, and volume-based fees. If you are brand new, you probably don't need to start there. Buying your first small amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum does not require advanced charts, but these tools can matter later if you care about fees, spreads, limit orders, and having more control over your trades. Coinbase may feel easier at first. Kraken may feel better if you want a crypto-focused platform you can grow into. Either way, you can start with the version you actually understand, then learn the advanced tools later if you need them. So which one is better for beginners? Coinbase is probably better if you want the easier, more familiar first experience. And Kraken is probably better if you want a crypto-focused app that gives you more room to grow. I would not choose based on which app has the most coins. More coins can just mean more distractions. Choose the app you understand better and feel more comfortable using carefully. So here are some common mistakes to avoid. The first mistake is buying crypto before understanding the order preview. If you don't understand the fees, the amount of crypto you are receiving, or the payment method you selected, pause before confirming. The second mistake is chasing top movers. A crypto being up a lot does not automatically mean it belongs in your portfolio. The third mistake is using advanced trading tools before you understand the basics. Advanced tools can be helpful, but only if you know what the button means. The fourth mistake is treating crypto like guaranteed growth. Crypto can go up fast, but it can also drop fast. Do not invest money you need for rent, bills, emergency savings, or short-term goals. The fifth mistake is ignoring account security. Most beginners focus on what coin to buy, but protecting your account matters just as much. And remember, Kraken and Coinbase are both major platforms, but that does not remove all risk. Use two-factor authentication, use a strong password, and watch out for fake support messages or random links. So when it comes to Kraken versus Coinbase for beginners, the better crypto app depends on what you want. Coinbase is probably the better fit if you want the easier, more familiar starting point. Kraken is probably the better fit if you want a crypto-focused platform with more room to grow. I'll leave both links down below so you can compare them for yourself. I will also leave our Rakuten link down below so you can get the cashback and the additional discount. Some of these may be affiliate links, so if you do choose to use them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. We truly appreciate the support. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.